All right, Kit, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go skydiving, baby!
This is your first time?
Second time.
Second time. Well, we're gonna do 15,000 feet this time and 105 miles an hour to the ground. How's that sound?
Perfect. I'm excited about
Let's
it.
do it.
Booyah!
Mr. FranMan, show us the way to right procedure.
I'm ready!
Mr. FranMan, show us the way.
Feel the freedom, baby!
Up and down.
Whoa! I'm steering, baby!
How was it?
That was awesome! I felt the freedom, man! I felt the freedom!
Yeah. You gonna do it again?
I'm gonna do it 100 times more.
Heck yeah. Let's do it.
Booyah!
Woo!